Right team, today we're going to go through a front foot elevated reverse lunge. The first thing to note is when we do front foot elevated, we want the riser to be around an inch. So if you've got bumper plates, you could use a 15 or a 20 just to kind of rise it up enough. We want to just create a little bit more range of motion that we've got to move through the movement. And when you stand, stand tall. Now, when you take the lunge back, one thing I want you to think about is the middle and where your belly button is pointing is going to really help to decide where your hips are pointing. What I want you to do when we go into the lunge is turn your belly button a little bit so it's now pointing towards that front foot. What that's going to do is going to square your hips up and it's going to allow you to stabilize the movement a lot more. Keep your weight always on this front foot. So as we're lunging, as I'm driving back up, I'm pushing through my front leg. This back leg is almost just there to kind of guide me to the floor. Another thing to think about when we're pressing up, we're pressing off of this front foot, press through the whole foot. So don't try and get onto your heels. Don't be too much back here on this foot. Really drive everything you can through this front foot. One thing to note is if you're struggling with not knowing where your belly button's pointing, another great tip to kind of help you get into the right position would be to have the dumbbells either side of your foot as you go down. Don't have them here and be all upright. Before you go down, take a little hinge, have the dumbbells fall either side of that foot. If you're looking to kind of train your glutes a little bit more, this will help target that because we're in more of a hinged over position. That is everything you should need to know about a front foot elevated reverse lunge. Thank you for watching. My name's Charlie. This is Hack the Body, Help the Mind. We will see you on the next one.